Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Vimeo to Canva for branded video thumbnails, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Vimeo to Canva for creating branded video thumbnails, start by logging into your Canva account. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. In the search bar at the top, type video thumbnail and hit enter. You will see various template options for video thumbnails. Choose a template that suits your branding style. After selecting a template, you will be redirected to the design interface. Now, locate the Uploads tab in the left sidebar. Click on Uploads and then select Upload Media. From the window that opens, click on Vimeo. You will need to log into your Vimeo account if prompted. Authorize Canva to access your Vimeo account. Once authorized, you'll see your Vimeo videos listed. Select the video from which you want to use a frame for your thumbnail. Click on the video to import it into your Canva project. After the video is imported, you can choose a frame or extract a screenshot. Adjust the thumbnail design to incorporate your branding elements. Customize text, colors, and images as per your branding guidelines. When you are satisfied with your design, click on the download button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, typically PNG or JPG for thumbnails. Click the download button to save your branded thumbnail to your computer. Now, you can upload your new thumbnail to your Vimeo video. This process ensures your thumbnails are consistent with your branding efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.